How many times have I told you this? How many times? My God, you are not ugly. Matter of fact, you are a stud. You got a good looking dude in there. And what's happening is you just got bad habits. See, you have fallen victim of being careless. You have fallen a victim of being lazy. And because of this, you have developed these habits that are ruining your appearance versus actually helping you. Today, I'm going to bring that stud out of you. My guy, you are not ugly. Today, I'm going to show you the bad habits that are making you look ugly, but in reality, you are a complete stud. Let's hop into this. Number one, you are a mouth breather. Right now, before you even stop, how are you breathing? I know you've never thought about this before, but how are you breathing? Chances are, you're breathing out of your mouth. That's right. Most guys don't actually breathe through their nose. See, there is this concept called mewing. What ends up happening is when you are a mouth breather, you naturally have to lower your tongue or let the tongue sit at the bottom part of your mouth so you can let air flow in and out of your mouth. Now, what ends up happening is that this stretches out your facial muscles and softens your features within your jaw, which makes you look worse. As soon as you force yourself to start breathing through your nose, look what happens. You see the difference? You see what's happening here? See, you force your tongue to hit the roof of your mouth, tightening up your facial features and giving you that sharp jawline that you need to look better. Number two, you're always smiling. See, there's a lot of guys that will smile just because they want to make friends. They smile because they think that this is going to make other people like them, even when situations aren't funny. I have said this time and time again. See, for women, when they smile a lot, that's seen as attractive. The same doesn't apply for men. Men that smile a lot seem like they have something to hide, seem like they're not being genuine. Most women prefer men to have a neutral facial expression. This makes you seem more nonchalant, more relaxed. And like I've always said, you should only smile when something is funny, not because you want to appease the other person or make them automatically like you, because it actually doesn't work that way. Keeping that neutral face, that it's almost mysterious, that's much better. Number three, you are not using the right tools. Yo, think about it this way. Women have makeup. They're not dumb. They know how to enhance their beauty. Guys have tools too. You have your beard. My guy, you have glasses. It is summer, and I guarantee most of you don't have a sexy pair of frame yet. Most of you don't. You are that is like the biggest missed opportunity most guys have, because a pair of frames is the best way to structure your face and hide imperfections. This is the main reason why I created our company, Jade Black. Boys, our company, Jade Black, we were supposed to launch last week, but honestly, with COVID and everything, there are so many holdbacks now in the global supply chain. It is ridiculous. We are now going to have to launch July 24th, which I know is a bummer, but honestly, it is a blessing in disguise. You want to know why? Because now it gives you more time. It gives you time to save up. It gives you time to think about what you need, because when it comes to summer, this is when you need to be using the proper tools. And the one tool that if you don't have in your wardrobe, this is that one mistake that's damaging your appearance. Boys, this is like makeup for guys. Immediately you throw these on, they structure your face. They make your jawline look better. And if they're on trend, if they're designed stylishly, any outfit you throw them on, they look good. And that's exactly what we did with Jade Black. See, all our frames, they're handmade with Italian acetate, polarized lenses, stainless steel hinges, and on top of that, they are designed to make sure that you look stylish and you look good. Well, our new collection is dropping July 24th. We're dropping 4 new frames. My guy, these frames are most likely going to fly. If you go to the site right now, a lot of them are probably sold out, which we are also going to be restocking this July 24th, and I don't want you to miss it. So, if you guys don't have a good pair of sunglasses or blue light glasses or even prescription, I want you to check out Jade Black. The link's gonna be down below. Check out our selection, check out our entire lineup, and pick yourself up a pair of frames that's gonna actually make you look good. Number 4, you just seem closed off. See, most humans read body language without even realizing it. They will read you before you even open your mouth. So if you're ever in a social setting, in a social gathering, and you're off to the corner holding your red Solo cup, not making eye contact with anybody, or looking like a complete loner closed off, do you really think anybody's gonna approach you? Do you really think anybody's gonna wanna talk to you? Anytime you use that sort of closed off body language, you are literally closing yourself out to the rest, which is making you seem or appear less attractive. This is why when you're in a social gathering, you want to face the crowd or the people you want to engage with. You want to have open body language, and more importantly, when you do this, keep your chest out and your head held high. This is gonna show other people that you're actually looking to engage. The fifth habit is that you are not prioritizing sleep. This is the one habit that will make any dude look worse. Even if you're the most attractive guy, you're gonna look worse. Your energy drops, your confidence drops, you start building dark eye circles, your skin gets puffy, hair gets dull. See, when you sleep, this is the time that you're giving your body to completely recuperate. You should be giving it at least, at minimum, 6 hours and optimally around 8 hours. If you're not doing that, that single habit alone, no matter how attractive you are, is deterring from how good you look. Finally, number 6, you think too negatively. Bro, you can just feel confidence. Whether you're at work or a social gathering, when you see somebody, you'll know if they're in a good or in a bad mood. Thinking negatively does just that. See, if you're always thinking the worst of yourself, that you're not good enough, that you are too ugly, or that no one likes you, those thoughts, it's almost like it converts into energy, and that is the exact same energy that you portray and that you carry yourself with. So the more you beat yourself down here, the more beat down you're gonna actually look physically. Your inner thoughts are one of the biggest factors holding you back, which is why I've told you millions of times. You should be your best hype man. You need to stop those negative thoughts as soon as you get them and instead replace them with positive ones. Think of that time you got that compliment. Think of that time you felt good when you completed a good task, and then hype yourself up. You should be calling yourself the best looking, most handsome stud in the world. And if you're not gonna do it, your brother's gonna do it, because my guy, you are good looking. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. Those are 6 bad habits that are actually making you ugly. If you guys like this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out Jade Black. If you guys want to check them out, it'll be linked down below as well. That's it for me today. See you next time.